Fruit gets a bad rap with diabetes. But a few smart picks handled the right way can actually steady blood sugar, support heart and kidney health, protect eyes and nerves, and even boost fertility. Today, we'll cover 3 fruits that work with your body: apples, mulberries, and bananas. You'll learn how much to eat, how to pair them, what to avoid, and easy meal ideas you can use this week. 1. Apples. Why? Apples work naturally low GI, approximately 36, and low GL, approximately 6 per medium apple. So they raise glucose slowly. 4 to 5 grams fiber, mostly soluble. Per medium fruit slows absorption and improves fullness. Antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic. Acid support insulin sensitivity, calm inflammation, and may protect tiny blood vessels in the eyes. What you get: 1 medium apple. Skin on approximately 25 g carbs, approximately 4 to 5 grams fiber, approximately 21 grams net. Carbs, vitamin C, potassium, small amounts of vitamins. A KB. How to eat apples for steadier numbers portion. 1. Medium apple about 6 ounces, 180 g. Closing parenthesis, keep the peel, that's where lots of fiber and polyphenols live. Pair for balance: apple plus protein or fat, for example. 1 TBSP peanut almond butter or Greek yogurt plus walnuts or cheddar slice. Best times with a meal or as a post-meal sweet. Avoid eating fruit alone on an empty stomach if you're sensitive to spikes. What to avoid: juice, no fiber. Fast spike, sweetened applesauce, and dried apple snacks with added sugars or sulfites. Apple flavored. Anything. Stick to the whole fruit budget. Tip: buy 3 lb bags in season and store in the fridge. Granny Smith trends slightly tartar, lower sugar. But Gala Fuji are fine in the same portion too. Mulberries. The overlooked berry advantage: low GI, approximately 25, and very low GL2 for serving. Unique compounds: resveratrol, insulin sensitivity, vascular protection, and 1-deoxyno-geramishin DNJ, which slows carb breakdown. Think of it as a gentle, natural sugar buffer. What you get per approximately 1/2 cup, approximately 80 to 100 g fresh, approximately 9-10 g carbs, approximately 1.5 to 2 g fiber. Vitamin C, approximately 50% DV per 100 grams. Potassium, vitamin K, iron, ANTHOCYANI. And I thought how to use mulberries portion fresh, approximately 1/2 cup. Add to Greek yogurt, chia pudding, or salads portion dried. To TBSP max and unsweetened only dried fruit concentrates. Sugar. Closing parenthesis, great combo. Mulberry chia, overnight pudding. Unsweetened almond milk plus chia, plus a scoop of protein powder, plus 1/2 cup mulberries. Rest overnight. Shopping notes: look for fresh in season, unsweetened, dried year-round. Skip syrups, juices, added sugar. No fiber. Check labels for sulfites. 3 bananas not off limits. Just be smart. Load 2 mid GI, approximately 51 ripe. More resistant starch when slightly green equals slower absorption, happier gut bacteria, and better fullness. Potassium, approximately 400 milligrams, supports blood pressure and nerve muscle function, plus vitamin B, vitamin C, and antioxidants. How to enjoy bananas without the A. Spike portion: 1/2 medium as a snack or 1 small when paired with protein, fat, ripeness. Matters: choose light green to yellow with few spots for more resistant. Starch. Pairing ideas: 1/2 banana plus 2 TBSP. Greek yogurt plus cinnamon. 1/2 banana plus 1 TBSP. Peanut almond butter slices on protein pancakes or cottage cheese timing. After a protein and veg meal or post-walk to soften glucose rise. Avoid banana chips fried. Sugary large smoothie shop portions. Banana bread, muffins flour plus sugar. If blending at home, keep the banana to 1/2 small. Add protein and greens. And skip sweeteners. Potassium caution if you've been told to limit potassium advanced CKD or certain meds. Ask your care team about your safe banana portion. Put it together. Fruit Smart Plate Formulaanker with protein eggs. Greek yogurt, chicken, tofu, fish. Load up on non-starchy veg, leafy greens. Broccoli, peppers. Add healthy fat olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds. Then add fruit in the right portion and paired, not solo. 1-day sample plan copy-paste breakfast spinach omelet. 1 whole egg plus 2 whites cooked in olive oil. Apple slices with 1 TBSP almond butter on the side. Snack plain Greek yogurt plus 1/2 cup fresh mulberries plus sprinkle cinnamon. Lunch. Big kale romaine salad with grilled chicken or tofu. Cucumbers, peppers, 1 TBSP pumpkin seeds. Olive oil and lemon dressing. Snack 1/2 medium banana sliced over cottage cheese. Dust with cinnamon. Dinner, salmon or turkey meatballs. Roasted cauliflower, sautéed greens. Optional small quinoa scoop if you track it well. Evening if needed. Herbal tea plus 10 to 12 almonds. Label and shopping cheats whole greater than processed. Whole fruit beets juices. Syrups, sweetened fruit snacks. Dried fruit, choose unsweetened. Cap portions, mulberries. 2 TBSP, balance the basket. Pair fruit buys with Greek yogurt, nut butters. Cheeses for easy logi combos. Batch prep. Portion fruit into single-serve containers to avoid mindless extra carbs. Common myths, fast truths. All fruit spikes me. Some might pairing plus portions. Change the curve dramatically. Only green apples are allowed. Any. Variety works in the same portion peel. On, bananas are off limits. Portion. Plus ripeness plus pairing make bananas. Workable, dried fruit is banned. Small, unsweetened amounts can fit just measure. Safety notes if you use insulin or sulfonylureas. Check glucose the first few times you try these fruit pairings to learn your life. Response. For CKD or potassium-restricted diets. Confirm safe portions, especially with bananas and dried fruit. If you're on warfarin, keep leafy green vitamin K, consistent day-to-day, not directly fruit. But relevant to meal balance, closing parenthesis, quick recipes, script-friendly callouts, apple PB crunchers. Apple wedges, plus 1 TBSP peanut butter, plus cinnamon. Mulberry chia cup, 1/2 cup mulberries, plus 2 TBSP chia, plus 3/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, plus vanilla. Chill overnight. Banana yogurt bowl. 1/2 banana, plus 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, plus 1 TBSP. Crushed walnuts, plus cinnamon. Conclusion: you don't need to fear fruit. Choose apples, mulberries, and bananas in smart portions. Pair with protein, fat, and skip the processed forms. Repeat those wins and watch your post-meal numbers and energy smooth out over time. If this helps, please like the video, subscribe for weekly diabetes-friendly tips, and share it with someone who still thinks fruit is off limits. Comment which fruit you'll try, first apple, mulberry, or banana, and how you'll pair it.